What's the meaning of chickpea flour? Chickpea flour. Chickpea flour.
Chickpea flour. Chickpea flour. Chickpea flour, also known as gram flour or besan, is a type of flour made from ground chickpeas. It has a nutty and slightly bitter taste, and is commonly used in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Mediterranean cuisines for dishes such as falafel, pakoras, and sakka. When cooked, it results in a dense and firm texture with a slightly grainy mouthfeel. The flour is also naturally gluten-free and high in protein, making it a popular alternative to wheat flour for those with gluten intolerance or allergies.